You know what? The world of mobile apps and connected smart devices has become a really vast landscape, and sometimes it can just be tricky to get everything to play nice. Luckily, there's iftt, which stands for if this, then that. We call it Ifttt for short. It's a free way to get all your apps and devices talking to each other using rules, so all your tech is perfectly in sync. Today, we're going to show you how to get started with it, so don't go anywhere. Ifttt lets you connect apps, devices or services to other services using triggers, the this part of the formula, and actions, the that part of the formula, to create applets, little rules that run automatically whenever they get triggered. Here's a simple example. If rain is forecast tomorrow, the trigger, send me a notification, the action we want to happen. The first thing you'll need to do is download Ifttt from the App Store or Google Play. Once you're in, you'll see the Discover page, which contains recommended applets for you to explore. These update frequently, so don't forget to take a look from time to time. You can also search for applets, or browse by category, or by service. For example, if you're someone using a bunch of social media apps, there are applets which help you post the same thing to all your platforms at once. You can check out which applets are available for certain apps, like Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram, or if you're someone who owns a smart device, such as a Philips Hue smart bulb, you can create rules to automate your home lighting and set the mood as soon as you walk through the door. The possibilities are endless. Once you've found an applet you like, activating it is a doddle. Just switch it on. Then adjust the settings of the applet to work exactly the way you want it to. Ifttt will ask you to authenticate each new service you connect, but you only have to do that once, and all future applets using that service will be switched on automatically. Here's some of my favourite top-rated applets. Add songs from YouTube videos I've liked to a Spotify playlist. Get the daily weather forecast in my Google Calendar. Or post Instagram photos to Facebook or Twitter, or both. We hope this helps you keep your digital life in harmony and would love to hear your favourite applets in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to explore more awesome apps with us. See you again next time.